Top 5 Best Floating Island. Number 5. Canopy Island Pool Float. The Canopy Island Pool Float is a superb choice for those who want a floating island that prioritizes both comfort and style. It's designed for 2 people and features a detachable fabric sunshade for sun protection. With its stylish and modern design, the Canopy Island adds a touch of elegance to your water adventures. The island boasts 2 comfortable backrests, 2 cup holders, and a mesh floor for a relaxing experience. Its sturdy construction ensures durability, and it's perfect for couples or friends who want to soak up the sun together. If you're looking for a floating island that combines aesthetics and comfort, the Canopy Island Pool Float is a top pick. Coming in number 4. Intex Inflatable Canopy Island Float Lounge. For a luxurious and shaded floating experience, the Intex Inflatable Canopy Island Float Lounge is a top contender. This island is designed for those who want to escape the sun's rays while enjoying the water. With its detachable fabric sunshade, it provides a cool and comfortable spot for relaxation. The island has 2 built-in cup holders and a mesh floor that lets you dip your feet into the water. It can comfortably accommodate 2 people and includes backrests for added comfort. The Canopy Island's design and construction ensure durability and stability on the water. If you prefer a more intimate and shaded floating experience, this option from Intex is a great choice. Coming in number 3. Intex Splash & Chill Inflatable Relaxation Island. The Intex Splash & Chill Inflatable Relaxation Island is designed for those who crave the perfect blend of relaxation and fun on the water. This inflatable island accommodates up to 7 people, making it an excellent choice for larger gatherings. The island features a detachable sunshade, allowing you to stay cool while enjoying the sun. With its spacious design, multiple cup holders, and comfortable backrests, it's an ideal spot for relaxing and socializing. The Splash & Chill Island even includes a boarding platform to make getting on and off the island a breeze. This versatile and durable option from Intex is perfect for a variety of water activities, from sunbathing to swimming. Coming in number 2. Bestway Hydro Force Tropical Breeze Raft. The Bestway Hydro Force Tropical Breeze Raft offers a superb combination of comfort and entertainment for your floating island experience. This spacious raft can comfortably accommodate 6 people, making it ideal for larger groups or families. The inflatable island includes a detachable sunshade, providing a respite from the sun on scorching summer days. Equipped with a cooler bag, 6 cup holders, and ample backrests, it offers both relaxation and convenience. In addition to its sturdy construction, the raft includes a mesh bottom that allows you to cool off in the water while staying on the raft. Whether you want to lounge, enjoy a picnic, or take a refreshing dip, the Bestway Hydro Force Tropical Breeze Raft is a top choice. Coming in number 1. Coolerz Rapid Rider X4 Inflatable 4-Person Island Tube. The Coolerz Rapid Rider X4 is a fantastic choice for those seeking a fun and spacious floating island experience. This inflatable island tube can comfortably accommodate up to 4 people, making it perfect for group outings on the water. Its durable construction ensures longevity and stability, even in moderate water conditions. The island features 4 backrests for ultimate comfort and 4 cup holders for convenient beverage storage. You can easily secure your cooler or other essentials in the built-in cooler bag. With its heavy-duty handles and a convenient rope all around the island, it's easy to transport and anchor. Whether you're on a lake or a river, the Coolerz Rapid Rider X4 is an excellent choice for a memorable floating island adventure.